Yeah, that's good. Hi, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Greenpoint. My list of cocktails that I want to make going forward has been growing and growing, and Yellow Chartreuse is one of those ingredients. I've finally got a bottle, so I'm going to start making them, and today the Greenpoint is named after a neighborhood in Brooklyn, and it was first created in New York City at the infamous Milk and Honey Bar. So the Greenpoint is a variation of the Brooklyn, and the Brooklyn spawned from the Manhattan, a classic Manhattan. So today I'm actually using Punta Mess, which means 1.5 points. It's not technically a sweet vermouth, so the recipe does call for a sweet vermouth. It is an Italian vermouth, but not technically a sweet vermouth. So it works really well in Negronis and Manhattans and Brooklyns, and I really like it, but it's technically not a sweet vermouth. So just thought I'd clarify that because I have used it in videos in the past and I think I've been pulled up on it, so it's probably about time that I actually explained the reason I use Punta Mess. In the videos I do say use a sweet vermouth, but I use that's because I like it, personally. But it's going to be a good substitute and it's going to work really well in this cocktail. So we're going to start with a Rye Whiskey and measure 60 ml or 2 ounces and add that straight into the mixing glass. Followed by Yellow Chartreuse. $15 ml, half an ounce. And if you want to stick to the original recipe, 15 ml, half an ounce of sweet vermouth. I'm using Punta Mess. So it's just got more of a bitter component to it. And then last 2 ingredients are the bitters, 1 dash of Angostura and 1 dash of orange bitters. I prefer to use Regan's number 6, but I don't have any, it's empty. So now fill the mixing glass with ice and then give it a stir for 30-40 seconds. Whoa! So I've got my glass aside, some ice in it, chilling it down, getting it nice and cold. Whoa. Straight into that chilled coupe glass. And garnish with a twist of lemon. There you have the Greenpoint. Cheers. It's got a nice amber golden kind of colour to it. This is going to be good. Quite spicy. Obviously you got 2 ounces of rye in it, so very rye forward. I think they'd probably do well with a sweet vermouth, with something a little bit sweeter. But in saying that, it's not overly bitter. You get a little bit of citrus coming through from the orange bitters, some herbal notes, but the herbal's not as prominent. The Yellow Chartreuse sits at about 40%, so it's not strong and it's not as intense as the green Chartreuse, but this is a very tasty variation on the Brooklyn / Manhattan, and definitely want to try. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.
Leave Steve alone, he's not a baked potato.